Hello again. In this video, we will learn all the uses of the ing form of the verb, or it is also called present participle. In our last video, we talked about the uses of the third form of the verb or past participle, and in this video, we are going to talk about the ing form of the verb. So let's dive into the world of grammar and learn all about the ing form of the verb. The universal or the basic use of the ing form or present participle is in continuous tenses. If you study the grammar of English language, you will know that all the continuous tenses are formed by using the ing form of the verb plus to be verbs with them, that we will be learning when we will start learning the tenses. So let's have a look at some of the examples where ing form is used in continuous tenses. As he is running, here ing form of the verb is used to form present continuous tense with the help of to be verb. They were looking at the boat. Looking here is showing past continuous tense. She'll be waiting for us. Here wait, waited, waited, and waiting. The ing form is used to make the future continuous tense with the help of will be plus ing form. So this is the very basic and most common use of the ing form of the verb. But interestingly, the ing form of the verb is also used as a noun. If you remember the definition of the noun, we learned that noun is also the name of work or activity. Mostly, we have separate words for the names of the activities, but sometimes we can also use the ing form of the verb as a noun. In that case, or in that particular situations, some grammarians call it gerund, or some grammarians call it verbal noun, means the noun that is formed from the verb. Let's have a look at some of the examples where the ing form of the verb is used as a noun. As seeing is believing. See, saw, seen, seeing. Ing form of the verb. Seeing is believing. Here, seeing and believing, the ing forms of the verb see and believe are used as nouns, names of activities. The name of the activity of seeing and the name of the activity of believing. Second example is amassing wealth oft ruins health. Amass means to collect, and the ing form is amassing. So amassing wealth oft ruins health. Here amassing is used as the name of the activity, means the act of collecting money. So amassing used as a noun, we also call it gerund. Children love making mud castles. Make, made, made, making. So children love the activity of making. Here making is not showing the activity that children are doing this thing right now or they were doing that thing in past, but here we are using making as the name of the activity that children were, or children are, or children usually do. So this is the second use of the ing form of the verb. And the ing form of the verb is also used as an adjective. We also learned that the third form is also used as an adjective. What is the difference between the third form being used as an adjective and ing form being used as an adjective. We will discuss that thing in a separate video. But for now, let us learn how the ing form of the verb is used as an adjective to qualify a noun. Because the basic or fundamental use of the adjective is to qualify a noun and in some cases to qualify a pronoun. Like walking stick. What kind of stick? Walking stick. That is used for walking. So here, walking qualifies the word stick. Frying pan. What kind of the utensil? That is used for frying. So frying here is qualifying the word pan. So these are the examples in phrases. Let's also have some examples in sentences. First, I will start with a very common saying in English, like a rolling stone gathers no moss. Here, rolling qualifies the word stone, which is noun. So, this ing form will be considered as an adjective because it tells us something more about the stone, its kind and its type. The creaking door, here, creaking is qualifying the word door, which is noun. So the creaking door awakened the dog. Here, ing form is qualifying the word door. So we will say it is an adjective. This is the third use of the ing form of the verb. Then it is also used in participle phrases or reduced phrases. What are the participle phrases and how they function in the language? There's a separate video on that thing if you are interested to watch on it. I'm going to make the particular video on this particular point. But for now, let us understand the use of the ing form of the verb in participle phrases or reduced clauses. Walking to school, I met them. Or walking to school, I saw some people fighting. So here, walking will be considered the ing form of the verb and used in participle phrase because this is called participle phrase. Walking to school. Phrase, what is phrase? What is clause? What is sentence? If you want to know more about that thing, please watch my specific videos on these topics. The second sentence is the man sitting in the corner. Sitting in the corner is a phrase and here ing form is used in participle phrase or this is called participle phrase. The man sitting in the corner is my cousin. And the last sentence is I can see something burning. Here burning, something burning is a phrase and we call this type of a phrase a participle phrase. So these are the most common uses of the ing form of the verb in English. I hope you learned all about the ing form and how it is used. So if you liked this video, please like and subscribe. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me in the comments. Until my next video, bye bye.